Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about some exercise questions. Exercise 11.1 question number 15. Does the point negative 2.5, 3.5 lie inside, outside or on the circle x square plus y square equal to 25? Okay, the question is there is a point negative 2.5 comma 3.5. Our question is, does this point lie inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle? This is the meaning. That's we want to find. See here the equation of circle is given, that is x square plus y square equal to 25. So it is of the form x square plus y square equal to r square. Here origin is the center. Origin means 0, 0 is the center and radius is equal to 5 because 25 can be written as 5 square. So center is origin and radius equal to 5. So center 0, 0 and see suppose the point negative 2.5 comma 3.5. Let us consider these two are 2 points. Now join these 2 points and listen. Find the distance from 0, 0 to this point using distance formula. So what is distance formula? Distance formula is root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So consider the point 0, 0 as x1, y1, negative 2.5 comma 3.5 as x2, y2. So put these values here. So this becomes root of 0 minus 2.5. 0 minus x2 is minus 2.5. So minus 2.5 whole square plus 0 minus y2 3.5 whole square. So this is root of negative becomes plus. So 2.5 square plus negative square is positive 3.5 square. It is equal to 25 square is 625. So 2.5 square is 6.25 plus 3.5 whole square. So 35 square. 35 square is 1225. So 3.5 square is 12.25. So 12.25 plus 6.25 becomes 18.50. Okay, root of 18.50. So root of 18.50 is approximately or nearly equal to 4 point something because root of 16 is 4. It is root of 18 point. So it is more than 4 point. So distance between these 2 points is 4 point something. Okay. So 4 point something means, listen, our radius is 5. This 4 point, suppose 3. This 4.3 value is less than 5 means less than radius. So this is our radius. So this distance is less than 5 means definitely this point lies inside the circle. Okay, lies inside the circle. If it is on the circle, we can say that radius equal to 5. If it is lies outside the circle, then it is greater than 5, more than the radius. See here the value distance is less than 5 means the point negative 2.5 comma 3.5 lies inside the circle. Okay. Question number 14. Find the equation of the circle with the center 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, comma 5. Draw a simple figure. We need to find equation of a circle whose center is given. Center is 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, 5. Okay, sender 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, 5. So listen, if sender is HK and radius R, then equation of circle. What is equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Here HK is sender, it is given 2, 2 and radius it is not directly given but we can find. Using distance formula we can find radius. Okay, so use distance formula x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Put 2, 2 as x1 y1, 4, 5 as x2 y2. So this becomes x1 minus x2, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 the whole square plus y1 minus y2. Listen, y1 minus y2 the whole square is same as y2 minus y1 the whole square. So 2 minus 5 the whole square. 2 minus 4 minus 2 square is 4. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 square is 9. So 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 equal to root of 13. This is our radius. So put h, k, r in here. I mean in this equation. So this becomes x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to root 13 whole square. Now expand using by a minus b the whole square. So this becomes x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to root of 13 square is 13. Now arrange these terms x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. Now constant term 4 plus 4 8. This becomes minus 13. So 8 minus 13 minus 5 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equal to 5 is the equation of the circle passing through 2, 2. Okay, passing through the point 4, 5 and center at 2, 2. Okay. So, first you have to find radius, center is given and put h, k, r. These values in the equation of circle and simplify, we get the required equation of circle. Okay. Question number 13. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0. 0, 0 means origin and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. See the figure. So see the rough figure. In the question it is given that circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts A and B on coordinate axis. So making A intercept means this length is A along x-axis and this length is B along y-axis. So A is x-intercept, B is y-intercept. So clearly this circle is passing through the points 0, 0, A0 and 0B. Okay. Now write the equation of circle. What is the equation of circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Listen, first we need to find the equation of circle passing through the point 0, 0. So this equation becomes passing through 0, 0 means we can replace x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So equation becomes 0 minus h the whole square plus 0 minus k the whole square equal to r square. 0 minus h is minus h square is h square plus this becomes k square equal to r square. Okay, h square plus k square equal to r square. Now, next is equation of circle passing through A0. Equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So, passing through A0 means put x equal to a and y equal to 0 here. So, this becomes a minus h the whole square plus 0 minus k the whole square equal to r square, or a minus h the whole square plus 0 minus k is minus k square is k square equal to r square. Similarly, find equation of circle passing through the next point. Next point means 0b. So, put x equal to 0, y equal to b in the equation of circle. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So, this becomes 0 minus h the whole square plus b minus k the whole square equal to r square, or h square plus b minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Now look at these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Here, now in equation number 1, we already proved r square equal to h square plus k square. Put this value here. So this becomes a minus h the whole square plus k square equal to h square plus k square. Now expand by using a minus b whole square. So this becomes a square minus 2ah plus h square plus k square equal to h square plus k square. Now cancel the like terms h square and k square. So this is reduces to a square minus 2ah equal to 0. Here a is common, so take it outside. So a into a minus 2ah equal to 0, which implies either a equal to 0 or a minus 2h equal to 0. Here a equal to 0 is not possible because a is our x-intercept. So this distance is not equal to 0. So only possibility is that a minus 2h equal to 0. From here a is equal to 2h, or h equal to a by 2. Okay, h equal to a by 2. Similarly, from equation number 2, replace r square as h square plus k square. So this becomes h square plus b minus k the whole square equal to h square plus k square. Then expand h square plus b square minus 2bk plus k square equal to h square plus k square. Now cancel the like terms h square and k square, remaining b square minus 2bk equal to 0, or b square is equal to 2bk. We can cancel b. So b is equal to 2k, or k is equal to b by 2. So h equal to, listen, a by 2, b, k is equal to b by 2. So what is radius? R square we already defined. R square is h square plus k square. So put these values here. H square a by 2 whole square plus b by 2 whole square. So this is equal to a square by 4 plus b square by 4, or it is same as a square plus b square by 4. That is our r square. So we know h, k and r square. Therefore, equation of circle becomes x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus b by 2 whole square is equal to r square. R square is a square plus b square by 4. Okay. Now simplify. X minus a by 2 whole square can be written as x square minus 2x into a by 2 plus a by 2 square using a minus b whole square. Okay, plus this becomes y square minus 2yb by 2 plus b by 2 whole square is equal to a square plus b square by 4. A square minus 2ab plus b square form. Here we can cancel 2 and squaring. We can see that x square minus ax plus a square by 4 plus y square minus by plus b square by 4 equal to a square plus b square by 4. Now to avoid this fraction form, throughout multiplied by 4. So this becomes 4x square 4ax. On multiplying with 4 we can cancel these 4. So this reduces to a square plus 4y square minus 4by. This becomes b square is equal to a square plus b square. Here we can cancel the like terms a square and b square. Remaining terms are 4x square minus 4ax plus 4y square minus 4by is equal to 0. Okay. Or it is 4x square plus 4y square minus 4ax minus 4by equal to 0. All the term carries 4 as common. So this is same as x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle passing through the point 0, 0, a0 and 0b. Okay. See, in this step you can directly cancel this a square by 4 and b square by 4 from here. Okay, a square by 4 cancel, b square by 4. So you will get the answer x square minus ax plus y square minus by equal to 0. You can directly get the answer. So no need to go through this step. Okay. Question number 12. Find the equation of the circle with radius 5 whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Find the equation of the circle with the radius is given, radius equal to 5, whose center lies on x-axis. Listen, whose center lies on x-axis means maybe the center along positive x-axis or along negative x-axis. So we can consider the both cases, positive x-axis and negative x-axis. And also the circle passes through the point 2, 3. Okay. See the figure. In the question it is given that the circle passing through a point 2, 3, radius 5 and the center along x-axis. Here we consider the center along positive x-axis. Okay, either positive or negative x-axis you can draw the circle. So I here considered the circle along positive x-axis. So positive x-axis means we can easily say that the point is AB. Here B is equal to 0 because it is along x-axis. So there is no y value. So let us consider the center as A0, radius 5 and passing through the point 2, 3. So what is the equation of circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now equation of circle passing through 2, 3 means we can replace x equal to 2, y equal to 3 here. So this equation becomes 2 minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Okay, y is 3. Now hk is the center is given, h equal to a, k equal to 0. Put it here. So 2 minus a the whole square plus 3 minus 0 the whole square is equal to r square. Radius is 5, So 5 square. Now expand using a minus b whole square. So this becomes 4 minus 4a plus a square plus 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25. Now take this 25 to here. So this becomes 4 minus 4a plus a square plus 9 minus 25 equal to 0. Now this can be written as a square minus 4a. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 25 is minus 12 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in A. So select any two numbers whose product is minus 12 and sum is negative 4. Okay. Or you use the quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a to get the values of a. So directly we can say two numbers whose product is minus 12 and sum is minus 4. The numbers are minus 6 and 2. So the factors are a minus 6 and a plus 2. So a minus 6 into a plus 2 equal to 0 implies a is equal to 6 from here and a is equal to minus 2. So the values of a is 6 and minus 2. A equal to 0 means suppose the point A0, that is 6 0. 6 0 is along positive x-axis. Okay. And A0 implies minus 2 0, that is along negative x-axis. That's why I said either the circle along positive x-axis or along negative x-axis. Anyway, we got a is equal to 6 and a is equal to minus 2. Now consider these two values of a separately, then find equation of circle. So first value when a is equal to 6. What is the equation? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to 0. I mean r square. So here hk is equal to, h is a is 6 now, k is 0. So this becomes x minus 6 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to r square. R equal to 5. So this is x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square equal to 25. Now take this 25 to here and rearrange the terms. So this is x square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25. It is plus 11 equal to 0. So equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 equal to 0 when center is along positive x-axis, that is at 6 0, and radius is 5 and passing through the point 2 3. Now next chance is a is equal to minus 2. So when a is equal to minus 2, equation of circle becomes x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So put hk is minus 2 0, r is 5 here. So this becomes x minus minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to 5 square. So this is x plus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 25. So this is x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square equal to 25, or x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4 minus 25 becomes minus 21 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of circle. Anyway, go through the exercise question 11.1 and note down all these questions into your notebook and write and study well.